Have you lunch today, guys? By the way, I have not lunch today. Oh my god. Okay, guys, today I want to show you my reaction about Tilly bird. Tilly birds from Thailand. Same pitch. Is that right, guys? The title? Same pitch? Because the title of the song, I only understand the right same pitch because I don't understand Thai language. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, guys, so don't be long. Let's check this out. Okay, Shinny Lab, Tilly birds, same pitch. Ooh, cheers! Oh my god. I think that boy is so attracted with that girl and also she. Oh, really melodious, yeah? Okay. Oh my god. She smile. And also that boy smile to her. Oh, I think it's by third order, I guess. Okay. Who's that win and who's that lose? Oh my god. The boy is lose. Truth. Okay, say the truth. Oh my god. Oh, take a picture. Oh my god. The boy take a picture. Okay. I love the strain of tone, yeah, in this song, guys. Oh, I get really naughty, yeah, that girl. Oh, also that boy. He teased that girl. Oh, playing guitar. Oh, cheers again. I think it's in the bedroom because there is a bed. Oh my god, very beautiful, yeah, that girl. Especially when she smiles. This music reminds me with Backstreet Boys, I think, yeah. Oh my god, enter the cupboard. What they do, guys, inside cupboard. Oh my god, I think they are so embracing each other. Okay, what's that meaning? Oh my god. Oh, they're loving together. Oh my god, they're hugging each other. I want to hug them also. Oh, why is she crying, guys? Is she broken heart? Oh, there is a time. I love her bangs, yeah. Really cute, her bangs. Oh, stopwatch. Okay, see out. from the keyboard. And bye! Oh my god. Oh, what's that, guys? Like Tilly birds. Genie. Okay, guys, that's Tilly bird. Same page song. Oh my god, it's really melodious, yeah. Oh my god, their group, yeah. Oh my god, so melodious, yeah. Their voice, yeah, guys. Oh my god, I can't say anything. Why? I think they in this video, yeah, that girl and that boy attracted each other, yeah. Oh my god, but why that girl usually crying? Oh my god, I don't know because I don't understand the language and I watched it offline, yeah. So there is no English subtitle, guys. Looks like I see the Backstreet Boys vibes, yeah, in this video, especially in this music because na 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 na. That part remind me with Backstreet Boys, guys. Oh my god, yeah. I think it's really good song, yeah, and very entertaining, yeah. And this part, especially when they cheers and light truth are there, yeah. Wow, it's really fun, I think, yeah, guys. Yeah. Oh my god, they can't say anything. It's really good song and remind me with Backstreet Boys, especially that girl with her bangs, yeah, really cute, guys. And that boy, really handsome and always thinking about that girl, I think, yeah, guys. Hey guys, that's my review about Tilly Birds and Pets, yeah. So guys, if you have a suggestion about something, maybe the drama, the song, or anything what you want from around the world, please comment in this in my YouTube channel Saran TV, yeah? Or you can comment in my Instagram too, yeah. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, switch on the bell because with switch on the bell, no need to buy, guys. Okay, see you soon. Bye. Bye, guys.